Here we come to the elevator at Bell Hall at Texas Southern University in Houston, Texas. I just wrote this thing a second ago, and oh my gosh, this thing just shook horrifically. Let's start with going down first. This was originally an Otis LRV hydraulic elevator with older Series 1 from 1980, and it got modernized with innovation. Oh my gosh. Well, first we're gonna go up, and going down, I'll let you listen to this thing violently rock back and forth. Oh my gosh, I just wrote this thing a second ago, if you don't know, and this thing literally almost terrified me. I could feel it slightly shaking a little. How was that, y'all? Okay, I want to see that again. Oh my gosh, that was terrible. Oh my gosh, that was so bad, y'all. Oh my gosh, that was horrible. Whoa. Holy cow, this thing is violent. My gosh. Wow. Listen to this thing. Oh my gosh. This thing is even worse than the one at the theater building at U of H. It didn't do it that time. But you literally heard it, and you could literally see my phone's like literally swaying rapidly. I want to try that one more time. Oh, I just stopped. Are you coming up?
I'm going up.
Yeah, you can come in. Sorry, I was just trying to capture the moment of this thing shaking.
I know. So cute.
I'm glad you liked it. Yep, I'm just showing a video of this elevator. I was shaking shaking violently. All right, have a great day. All right, guys, let's try to capture this moment, shall we? I'm sorry for taking so much rides. Normally, I don't really film elevators as modded, but this thing is a total roller coaster. A total roller coaster, if I defined it. All right, everybody brace yourselves. Here we go. Oh, it's not doing it as much anymore. You know what? I think it does that going up. Maybe I think we'll try that. We'll try going up one more time, and then after that, we're gonna go and end that one. I'll let you see it. I'll let you see this thing shaking one more time. But my gosh, during the first ride, that was something. Okay, well, it didn't do it as much than it did before. So, anyways, okay, we've already rode it enough. This is definitely the most horrific elevator rides I've ever been on. Okay, that was the best moment of TSU. Shook during the first time, but during the second it calmed down. All right, there it goes, and hope you enjoy a bell of roller coaster, y'all. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.